Hi, my name is Yongyan Cao, and this is the ASP.NET class projects phase 2. For the first part of the project, we have to create at least 2 new ASPX web forms. So I created a login form right here, and also a student services form right here. The third page I created is the course list, and lastly, it is the transcript page right here. So if we go to the website and we go to the drop-down menu for students and we go to student services, it will let the student go to a login page. And if we enter the student ID, student first name and password, it will let the student log in. And there's a click event here to submit this form. Once the student is logged in, we can have a few links here. The first one is the course list, and then there's get transcript, and also register for classes and edit student information. As of right now, the course list link and the get transcript link are working. So if we click into the course list link, it will show a list of current courses that are available for registration. And if we click on the get transcript link here, it will show all the courses the student has taken. It will show the grade for classes that are already finished. It will show in progress for the in progress classes. Okay, so let me go to the code behind page for the login form. And this is the button click event to submit the login information. So I have an instance of a middle tier here, and through the middle tier I can call a method in the middle tier to validate the student. And also it has the session variable here to store the student ID and the student name. There's also a cookies to store the student name, and it says the expiration for the cookies it is max value, so the cookies will never expire. And if we go to the home page of the website and we go to the bottom of this website, we can see how many people have visited this website. So this is the hit counter requirement for the first part of the project. And the second part of the project is to use session level variables and cookies to store information and pass information between pages. So here, because we have the cookies which saves the student's name, so it will customize the page to show welcome Donald. If the student's first name is Linda, it will say welcome Linda. It gets the first name on the login page that we just did right here. And also one of the requirements is to have validator controls on the web form. So let me go back to the login page. Okay, so all the fields right here are required. So if we don't enter student ID, it will say student ID required. And if we don't enter anything for the first name, it will say first name required. And also password, we have to enter a password for in order to log in. So, and then we click on the button click to log in. And then all the pages right here, the login page, the transcripts, the student services page, and the course list, they all inherit from the master page. This is my master page. And then inside the child page, it will have the virtual path to the master page, and then we can just customize what we need inside the content placeholder. Okay, and then the last part of the project is to have a database connection that allows records to be browsed. So let me go to the course list. So right here I have a SQL data source. And then I have the connection string here, which connects to my SQL Server database. And then I also have a select query here, which selects everything from the courses table, where the open for enrollment field equals to 1. When it's equals to 1, it means it's open for enrollment. If it's 0, it means it's not open for enrollment. I also have a max size field in the courses table, and I have to make sure the students that are already enrolled in this class does not exceed the number of students that are already enrolled in this class does not exceed the max size allowed for this class. So that's what we see here. And if we go to the transcript page, right here. Okay. So same thing, it called an instance of the middle tier, and then it returns the transcript information right here. And then I have the code here which gets the grade from the database, and if the database has a not null value for the grade, it will just convert the grade to decimal. If it's null, then it will show in progress right here. And then this is my middle tier, which stores all the methods. And then the code behind page is just right here. All the ASPX form has the code behind page right here. The transcript code behind page. So yeah, that's all I have for this project. Thank you.